change my secret question? Oh, really? Okay, so I can't change the question or do anything like that? Okay. Oh, I was just wondering because I just got my account back about a week ago because it got compromised, and I wasn't sure if they got through it through the secret question. It's PKK Knight 007. Yeah. Orient Park. Okay. No, I haven't. It's my first time ever calling Blizzard for anything. Well, I wasn't playing it for a while, so I was notified that it got compromised, so I emailed the Blizzard tech, and they did tell me that it was compromised and someone was calling. They called once or twice or something, and see, I don't know if they got onto it through my secret question, they guessed it, or I'm not sure, but it's because I wasn't playing for a few months, so. Oh, okay. 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 No, yeah, I noticed it on the website. I just didn't understand what it actually did. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Oh, okay. No, I understand. Now, do you get one of those through you guys, like through Blizzard itself, or? Oh, okay. So they're not like retailed at any store. Okay, that's good to know. Okay. No, okay, I understand. No, that's it. You too. Goodbye. I thought they were supposed to ask for my information. That's weird. Anyways, they have these authenticators, okay? And it's fucking crazy. He was telling me about it. And they're not that expensive, they're cheap. You get them, and Blizzard binds it to your account. Every time you go to put your password in and ask for your authenticator code, it's a little keychain, and you have to hold the button of the keychain, and it says put the code in, and you put the code in, and then it lets you on your account. And that code changes every 30 seconds, so every time you redo it, you press down that button, it's a different code. It's not the same code. It's cool. But no, they can't change my secret question. He's like, it's one of those things, there's 3 things on the account that can't be changed. The account name, because he asked me what the password was, right? I mean the answer, and I told him. He's like, no, he's like, that's right. It's just unfortunately that can't be changed. But he told me that if anybody tries to call them, that they won't let them have access to anything. So, because that's the only way they can change the email and stuff like that is through if you know the answer to the secret question. Okay. And the guy said he's gonna email me when they get more in stock because you can only get them off Blizzard.com. So he said when he gets more in stock, he has me down, so they're gonna email me. But I can't believe he asked me for the answer to my secret question because they're not allowed to ask that or the passwords or any password. Yeah. I don't care if he knows it. What the fuck are you gonna do? Go on my character and give me the crazy gear? I don't care. Be my head. Yeah, so that was funny. He laughed at my email address.
Yeah.
Yeah. He started laughing. He sounded young too. He must have been maybe mid-20s. Yeah. So unfortunately, that's okay. He's just like, get one of those authenticator keys. I was like, oh, okay. But if someone calls and tries to change anything again, then he's like, we're not going to accept it. It's not like I can give them like a keyword and be like, yeah, this is what you have to say in order, you know what I mean? Because they couldn't care less.